In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Firewall blocking QuickBooks. If QuickBooks isn't opening properly, connecting the way it should, or is being interrupted by your firewall settings, this process can often solve the problem quickly. We'll be updating your Windows Defender firewall settings so QuickBooks is allowed to communicate properly on your computer. Just follow along carefully and make sure QuickBooks is fully closed before you begin. First, close QuickBooks. Desktop completely. This is important because making firewall changes while the program is still open can sometimes prevent the update from applying correctly. Take a moment to confirm that the program is no longer running. Next, open the Windows Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Once it appears in the search results, open it. This will take you to the main firewall settings area in Windows. From there, look to the left-hand side of the window and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This section lets you control which programs are permitted to pass through the firewall. When that screen opens, click Change Settings. You may be asked for administrator permission depending on your Windows setup, so if prompted, go ahead and approve it. This unlocks the list so you can make changes. Now click Allow another app. A small window will appear, giving you the option to manually add a program that isn't already listed. Click Browse, then navigate to the QuickBooks desktop application on your computer and select it. Be sure you choose the main QuickBooks program file so Windows can correctly recognize and allow the application. After selecting the QuickBooks desktop application, click Add. This places QuickBooks into the list of allowed apps in the firewall settings. Once it appears in the list, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled for QuickBooks. This is an important part of the fix because it allows QuickBooks to communicate whether your network is set as private, like a home or office network, or public. After that, click OK to save your changes. This confirms the firewall update and applies the new permission settings. Now reopen QuickBooks Desktop and check whether the firewall issue has been resolved. If everything worked correctly, QuickBooks should now be able to run without being blocked by Windows Firewall. That's all there is to it. This is a simple but effective fix that often resolves firewall-related QuickBooks issues without requiring advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.